Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video I am going to talk about pronouncing the ed endings. When we have a regular verb, we add ed to the end of the verb and change it to past, okay? Like these guys over here, or these ones, or the ones over there. When we have these verbs, they are okay to be used in present. We add ed and we use it as a past tense verb, or we use it with have, has, and other ones to make a perfect sentence. Okay, so we change verbs by adding ed to the end, and then we have new verbs. But how should we pronounce these eds that are going to get added? Some of them are pronounced in a way and some are pronounced in a different way. Actually, we have 3 different ways to pronounce ed. Over here, if I add ed to these verbs, then the first ed is going to be pronounced as t, pot, pot. So this is pronounced as t. And here, when I add ed to my verb, then this is pronounced d, okay? Smelled, smelled, okay? Smelled. And when I add ed to this one, it's not t and it's not the d. This is pronounced id, okay? Id. This is pronounced id. So you can see that the same letter, E and D, these two are pronounced T over here, pronounced not T, T, pronounced T over here, pronounced D over here, and id over here. So popped, smelled, hunted. Okay, they are pronounced in different ways. But when talking about these ones, when I'm going to add ed to these, which is accepted, T, D, or id? Well, actually, there is a rule, okay? You don't need to worry, you don't need to memorize each word. All these words are pronounced, when take ed, are pronounced d, and these ones are t. No. What you need to have is nothing. Just put your fingers over here and pronounce it. Just pronounce it after me. Ask, ask, ask. Okay, what is the final letter, final sound? K, k. Okay, just pronounce it. Ask, k, k, k. Okay, let's practice it with these ones. Pop, p, p, p. Smell, l, 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 l. Did you notice the difference? When you say pop and when you say smell, l, 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 p, p, l, l. You notice the difference? When you say pop, okay, when you say p, there is no vibration over here. But when you say it vibrates, okay? Okay, this is a formula then. So, if you pronounced something and you found out that is voiceless and there is no vibration over here, then that ed added after that letter should be pronounced as t. Should be pronounced this way, t. Okay? And this is the rule for these ones. The ones that vibrate. The ones that vibrate, ed after the last letter should be pronounced this way. Okay? Now, trying with this formula, let's check these out. Okay, ask, ask. Let me see which one this is. There is no vibration. Okay, so this is going to be pronounced as t. Asked, asked, asked. T. Okay, not d. Bang, g. Okay, g, 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 g. Okay, vibrates, doesn't it? Okay, then I will pronounce ed after this way. Banged, banged, banged. When I add ed. What about l? L, just like this one. L, l. Again, vibrates, so I pronounce it this way, d, d. Now to try yourself, just stop the video and see if you can find the way these are going to pronounce, and then play the video and come with me. Alright, see if you have done it right or not. Dance. Over here I have got E over here, but this is not pronounced, okay? So I'm not thinking of this one. My vocal cords would not recognize E over here because they do not know writing. What they are familiar with is sound, okay? So what is the final sound that I hear over here is S. Okay, I say S. There is no vibration. S. No vibration, so it should be pronounced T. Danced, danced. Okay, what about earn? Ends in N, so earn vibrates. So what should I do? Because it vibrates, the ed at the end is pronounced this way. D. Earned, earned. The same thing, face. Again, I have S sound like this. There is no vibration, so no vibration. T. Grab, d, d, d. Vibrates. D. Grabbed, grabbed. Join, vibrates. What should I do? I just pronounce it this way. D. Joined. Okay. They joined. I joined. Match. Ch, ch, ch. No vibration, so that is T. Matched. Laugh. Again, my vocal cords are not familiar with the writing system. They just recognize the voice. Okay, what is the final sound? That is F, F. Okay, F, F, F. That is voiceless. That is without vibration, so that is T. Or let's say T. Okay, laughed, laughed, laughed. That's it. So I've got two of them. One, the ones that are without vibration, T. The ones that are with vibration, D. Now let's talk about these. Need. Okay, the final letter, the final sound is D, 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 D. That vibrates, doesn't it? So vibrates. We just said if it vibrates, we add D, or let's say we pronounce the ed at the end as D. But because of this D, I can't pronounce the other D. So I can't say need D. No, it's not possible. So what I do, I need to pronounce E as well as D. So this is the result. So if the final letter, the final sound is D, okay, then ED should be pronounced this way. It, okay, needed, okay, need, needed, add, added, add, added, need, needed, because of final D. And that's the same thing with T, T, T. It's voiceless, it's not vibrating, it's like this. But I can't pronounce ED after T, just T. So I can't just say want T. No, it's not easy to pronounce. So what I do, I just pronounce id. So another letter that goes over here is T. So if one is vibrating over here, if I am pronouncing ed and that ed, if I am pronouncing the final letter and that final letter is vibrating, okay, actually causes my vocal cords to vibrate, okay, then the ed that appears after that is pronounced D. If it doesn't make my vocal cords to vibrate, then that ed is pronounced T, except times that I have T or D at the end, or T and D sound at the end, like this. Need, add, want, list, explode, hate, and admit. I have E over here or over here, but it doesn't matter. The final sound that I produce is either T or D. In these cases, when I have T or D sound at the end, I add id. Okay, I pronounce ed as id. Okay, so list, listed, exploded, hated, and admitted. Okay, so it just needs practice. I know when you're out and talking to people, you can't just say, oh, wait a minute please. Yeah, it is not possible, I know that, but you can practice. After you have practiced several times, it will be easy, okay? When you learn a new word, when you learn a new verb, when you add ed, you can check yourself with your equipment that you've got with you. You can make sure you know the right pronunciation without any hesitation. The good thing is that it just is free, no exception or nothing like this. So just make yourself familiar with the rule, which is very, very easy. Then you know all the ed ending pronunciations. Hope this has been helpful if you didn't know this. If you have any other questions, just let me know by commenting it below this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye!